maybe because the dog has E. coli or our E. coli gets into the dog because we have E. coli because we ate the food. Now that's basically all about E. coli. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I have a question. From which number it goes start? From number 1, like ये number 1 से start हो रहा है या ये number 1 से start हो रहा
Yes, that's a good question. It depends. Like if you ate food first, it will start from the food.
Yeah.
If you pet the pet first, it might start from there. But it might start from there because the pet might not have an E. coli in it.
है? Nice, that's a good project. I rate it 5 stars, 10 out of 10. Nice, very nice. So guys, ये है project about medicines, health, healing pathway. Yeah.
This project is basically outlining the benefits of medicine and how it helps us, the organs, when it's either weakened or it is damaged. So every organ in our body has a specific role, and sometimes it cannot complete it because of some things. The organ we are showcasing today is the stomach. The stomach uses hydrochloric acid and enzymes to digest the food that we eat. Now, the stomach does use that, but there can be some problems that can alternate it. For example, ulcers, our bacterial infections, and our acidity. Normally, the stomach looks like this, but
in
then
acidity-
these problems occur.
Yes. In acidity, hydrochloric acid in your body present to digest proteins. When overspread cause burning in esophagus. This acidity heals when you take an alkaline substance. Second up we have ulcers. Ulcer is that cell walls,
Small wounds.
cell walls are disturbed and disrupted. It can't be repaired again, so ulcer doesn't contain any permanent healing process.
Lastly is the bacterial infection. One of the most famous bacterial infection is the H. pylori bacteria. The way these bacteria enter our body is through unhealthy food, such as the food we eat from malls and stalls. Now, bacterial infections can later become into bigger problems such as stomach cancer. The way we counter these is through antibiotics. What antibiotics do is that they fight them and destroy them, or they slow down the bacteria so that it doesn't spread on all the organs and damage it. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I have a question. Which type of stomach is this?
This is the healthy, the normal.
The healthy and normal. Okay. So how can we just make our stomach healthy even more than it?
We can make it healthy by our healthy diet that contains all of the proteins, nutrients that our body needs in an accessible and a right amount. As over accessing the food can lead to acidic, as I showed it here. Any more questions?
No. Well, thank you very much, and that was a good project. So guys, हम next पे move कर चुके हैं, and that is the project. हाँ?